This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Wiper blades renewal. Turn on the ignition and flick the wiper stalk up twice to move the wipers into their service position. Alternatively, operate the wiper stalk as normal and turn off the ignition when the wipers are near vertical. Lift the wiper arm from the screen, depress the clip and unhook the blade from the arm. Lower the arm onto the screen, placing a cloth between the arm and the glass to prevent accidental damage. Fit the new blade to the arm, ensuring it clicks into place. Turn on the ignition and operate the wiper stalk to return the arms to their resting position. Lift the arm from the glass and press the blade from the wiper arm. Clip the new blade into position and lower the arm onto the glass.